Okay, so I'm at this gym in a small town, and like they've had the worst working equipment, whatever. Like super old and like rusty and rickety, but they upgraded everything and got like new stuff. And like this treadmill that I'm on right now is like the touch screen and all that. Like it's a big upgrade. So I guess I literally haven't been here in like 3 weeks. So they got all of these in just a couple weeks, which is insane. I'm just on the treadmill. There is one person in here, so I've done like other workouts, but I haven't really filmed it because it's just awkward, you know. In this like weird kind of sketchy place. But anyways, I'm actually doing so good. Due to all that strength I'm building, you know?